friends, welcome to Shah's Vlog. In the last video I showed you how to unbox this PNY MOBEE gimbal. In this video I'm gonna show you further setting and reviews. Just let's start. Okay, press and hold this button to start the gimbal. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to connect your mobile through Bluetooth, or you can install the app PNY MOBEE gimbal app. Is available in the Play Store. Let's see how I'm fixing it. Make sure this part must be on this side. Okay, the charging part. Okay, this is fixed now, and it's not working properly because the balance is out. So we will I'll show you how to do the proper balancing. Okay, see, it's moving up by pressing this one, moving down. Okay, now I'll show you how to do the balance. This is the balancer. Okay, this one, make it loose and put it back and make it tight again. Because if your mobile is like Samsung or iPhone, little bit long, 5.7 inch, then you have to do this setting. This setting is must. Otherwise, while recording your this gimbal will feel like this. So okay, stop. Now I have done the balancer setting from this part. Okay, now I'm going to restart my gimbal. Okay, press and hold to turn it off. Okay, now it's off. Now again press and hold to start. Okay, now it will come back to its right direction, right position. Okay, see. Okay, it's working fine. This is without the app I installed. See, now it's come back to the right position after I did the balancer setting. So this is without the app I am doing it. Now I'll show you how to do the zoom. Zoom is like just hold it from one hand and then you can zoom it by manually like this. Okay, see, it's zooming. Zoom is working without the app installed. So now see, now this one okay, this one is going right, left, and this one is for up and this one is for down. So you can see the setting. Okay, now I'm going to install the app and I'll show you the further setting. Now you can go to the mobile and go to Play Store. In the Play Store you can search MOBEE PNY MOBEE. Okay, this is the second one, PNY MOBEE. Just click on that and the first one is there, this one. Okay, install it. It's installing. Meanwhile I'll stop the video. Start. See, now it has been installed. Now I'll click on open. After you open this, you have to connect your app to the you have to do some setting. What is saying, allow PN mobile to take picture and record the videos. Allow. Click on allow. The second is asking allow PNY MOBEE to access this device location. Okay, you can deny, but you can allow all the time, no problem. The third thing is asking allow PNY MOBEE to access photo, media and files on your device. Allow. The fourth thing is allow PNY MOBEE to record the audios. Of course you have to allow. Now you have to do the pair. How you can do the pair? Just click on the pair device, this button. It's pairing. Okay, while it's pairing, now what you can do, just go to your Bluetooth and click on this Bluetooth, hold and press and hold, and it is showing my my gimbal 666. I have given the name already. I'll just click on this. It's what is saying, connecting. Yeah, I have placed my mobile in the gimbal. Now you can do turn on your mobile Bluetooth and then click on the pair device. Okay, after pair device, now it has been connected to the through this application, PNY MOBEE gimbal application. So if you want to take a panoramic picture, there are some settings. Okay, what is this single pan? Okay, pano. Click on pano. Okay, the second one, and done. Okay, confirm. Recommendation the picture. Okay, confirm. Now I'll click. See, it's taking automatic picture, panoramic picture. One shot Okay, this is another shot. Okay, now this is the third one. Okay, now the fourth one. This is automatic. I am not doing anything. Now this is the fifth picture. Okay, now it's finished. It's preparing your photo. I'll show you how it's come. Just hold on. Now panoramic picture has been done. Now what you have to do, if you don't connect with the application, you can zoom it through this side, okay, from the screen. If you have connected through the this PNY mobile app, you have to put like this. Look at this, it will zoom. If you scroll this one now, toward or backward, it will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and if you want to take a picture, and there's a button, this is the button, you have to shoot this button. Okay, this is the button, it will take a picture. Look at this, I am pressing this button and I'll just zoom out first. Okay, now I'll take a picture. Look at this, I am taking a picture. Now picture has been done. You can do further setting. If you are taking a panoramic picture, make sure you have connected your tripod. This is a tripod. Okay, it's come with the MOBEE gimbal. Okay, so you have to connect this one. Okay, and make it steady. Okay, okay, so the price for this gimbal is $60 to $80. I don't know in what is price in your country. You can check in your local e-commerce website or Amazon or any other your local stores. So again, I'm telling you, this one for the balance is must. If your mobile is little bit long, like Samsung Note 8 or Note 9, it's a bit long mobile, so you have to do the setting from this side. Make it loose, put it inside, take it loose and put it back, and tight this one. Okay, now it will not fall down. If your gimbal is falling down from straight to left side, you have to do the setting from this side. Okay, only this side. And okay, this is a landscape photography or landscape videos. Okay, if you are taking a portrait photo or selfie pictures, then you have to do some setting. I'll just turn it off for the meanwhile. See this, now this is off, so I'll show you. I'll remove my mobile, and okay, now this one I'll just pull it inside. Okay, this one is done. So this is your setting, normal setting. It means if it is on this position, it means it will work landscape. So you have to go back and make it loose before you placing your mobile. Okay, tie this one to landscape. Okay, I'll show you. Now it will work. I'll just close my mobile, it's getting crazy. Okay, so now put it like that. Okay, this is the position. Okay, this is the position for the portrait. Okay, now you can place your mobile here in the center. Okay, if I turn it on, then see how it works. I have to turn out from where this one. See, now it's working portrait. See, depend what you are going to capture. And if you are doing landscape, then you have to rotate your position from this side, and if you are taking landscape, also you have to do the setting from this side. For landscape and portrait this side, and the for the balancing we have to make it from this side. So this is the shutter button, you have to take picture. This is for zoom in and zoom out, and this is for move it up, move it down, and this is the power button. Just switch it off and I'll finish the video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment, just leave in the comments box. Thank you.